Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I made this kind of preset in Lightroom Mobile. If you want the DNG file this preset, I will put a link in the description below for you to download. So now let's get started. Contrast -34. Highlights -28. Shadows -11. Whites -14. And blacks -14. Go to curve. And done. Next go to color. Tint +1. Vibrance +20. And saturation +3. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue +62. Saturation +67. Luminance +45. Go to orange. Hue -14. Saturation +14. Luminance +41. Go to yellow. Saturation -93. Go to green. Saturation -100. Go to aqua. Hue -50. Saturation -100. Luminance +19. Go to blue. Saturation -100. Luminance +23. Go to purple. Saturation -100. Go to magenta. Saturation -100. Luminance +100. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity +2. Go to split toning. Bring hue 161 and saturation 13 for shadows. Balance plus 47. And done. Next go to detail. Sharpening to 11. Noise reduction to 13. Color noise reduction to 20. Smoothness to 60. And finish. Thank you for your watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in another video.